Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today's episode is dedicated to Cookie Crisp cereal. I was having a chat with my friend Tommy and discussing about the idea of turning Cookie Crisp cereal into actual chocolate chip cookies. I gotta try this out. I'm gonna pour about 4 cups of cereal into my food processor. Let's crush those cookies and pour that into a bowl. A cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and mix that together. Now I'm gonna add 3 eggs and a stick of melted butter. And splash some milk in there and stir it until we get a good dough. It might need a little bit more milk. Then scoop tablespoons of dough onto your cookie sheet. And I'm gonna bake these at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. The Cookie Crisp cereal came out in 1977. It was created by the Ralston Purina Company until it sold to General Mills. There has been many Cookie Crisp mascots. The very first one was a wizard named Cookie Jarvis. He would turn cookie jars into bowls of Cookie Crisp. The wizard was joined by the cookie crook, who would try to steal those cookies. Then the wizard disappeared, and the crook was joined by the cookie cop named Officer Crumb. Then the cookie crook got a mischievous sidekick, Chip the dog. Then the cop and the crook disappeared, and it was just Chip the adorable dog. And then Chip the dog disappeared, and it became Chip the wolf. Who we have today? I just love my Cookie Crisp. Here we go, trying unique things. Cookie Crisp cookies. It's a very soft texture. It definitely has a cereal flavor. I can't say the chocolate is too strong in there. I might use some chocolate chips. But it definitely, when I'm tasting it, I can totally taste that Cookie Crisp flavor. So it works. What did one space cookie say to the other space cookie? Beam me up, biscotti. Cookie Crisp.